Everybody knows that Alaska Airlines is a great airline to fly. I fly it every chance I get, but in addition to that, I think everybody should know that in the community they're just as wonderful. They're generous, they're supportive, they're friendly, they do what they say they're going to do.
One of the things I appreciate the most about the Alaska Air Group, Alaska Airlines, Horizon Airlines, is that they have examined their values as a company, and that they have chosen a select few nonprofit organizations in the community to benefit from their generosity based on alignment with their own values. And I think that tends to be a bit of a unique approach.
I think when you think of Alaska Airlines, you think of a company that has really been iconic in its brand, who has supported so many different things in the community. But what it does for our children is really to inspire them that if they stay in school, if they work hard, they too can be successful in any endeavor they might make. And so when Alaska Airlines provides a volunteer to go in the classroom or a ticket to be auctioned off at one of our fundraisers, that directly relates to children that we can reach in the classroom and inspire them to achieve.
Alaska Airlines employees as a whole really are supportive of our organization, and you see them come out for many of our events. We have Light the Night walks in Seattle and Tacoma. We have the Winter Pineapple Classic event in North Bend in November. We have the Big Climb, which takes place at Columbia Tower in March, and then we have year-round team and training events. So at every one of those events, you'll see Alaska Airlines employees participating and supporting our organization.
At the Make-A-Wish Foundation, many of our wishes for children involve travel. And this is why our relationship with Alaska Airlines and Horizon Air is just so important to us. In fact, over the last 20 years, we've granted wishes for almost 7,500 children in the Northwest. And Alaska Airlines has been directly involved in 25% of those wishes through generous donations of money, volunteer time and support, and airline mileage donations to make sure that these children safely reach their destination.
It's the personality of the company to say thank you. It's the personality of the company to say we want to help our community and support you in a bigger and better way.